second game of the first match. Yeah, well, this is to behold. This is cool. No, I'd like to keep that. First turn Glint Hawk. That's a really cool one. I do appreciate that. Sure, cast. And we play Glint Hawk. And we play the Quarters Shield. This was exactly what I was planning to do with Glint Hawk. He's incredible cool. He's incredible cool, the Glint Hawk. And there comes Contagion Clasp. Ooh, the Missile Proliferate. Okay, but that's okay. We just swing in for some damage here. Hope I'm gonna draw mana next turn. Here is Iron Mirror. Two removal spells in my hand that are playable. That's cool. That's really cool. It's also a finisher. Wow. Okay. But you're not yet able to equip that, and that's good. Well, the mana's missing here. Swinging. My precious little creatures. And your turn, man. Head of Praetors. That's okay. And we will remove that as soon as possible. Because this really sucks. For us. And hey, here it is. Glint Hawk attacks and Skelmer's Warden is gonna be casted. I'm really lucky to have 3 of those Wardens because they're so incredibly good. Just with Metalcraft, even without Metalcraft, they block absolutely everything here, but... Okay, Cyst Bearer. That's not good. But, well, it's alright, it's alright. Okay. Question is what we're gonna do. Guess I attack with my Glint Hawk and my Gelmus Warden. To cast another Gelmus Warden after the battle. Yeah, sure. I suppose that's good, that you take the damage. And choose the next Gelmus Warden. So, curious if you like to attack with Cyst Bearer or not. Or maybe just proliferate against my dragon. Or my hawk. Bird. Hawk, bird, dragon, whatever. Okay, well, so he just... that's a strange way. For sure, he just gives me counters. But, well... seems a bit weird. Doing that at the end of my turn here. Okay, won't play the Blood Tribe Berserkers. So, okay. Yeah, he can block that and tap that later on to kill another one. Sure, that combination is okay. Yeah, sure, he blocks one, now taps it and damages the other one with infect counters. Sure. This is okay. Now I get the sense. And then proliferate with the Contagion Clasp, sure. Yeah, well, do that. That goes to him either? Does it? Yeah, it does. Okay, and after the combat, I play Arc Trial. Target 1, target 2. We just give him 1 more damage. He did receive 2 damage, did he? Yes, sure. No, he didn't receive 2 damage. Ah, he did that before the damage step. So that's bad for us. Because we just can't kill him now, right now. That's bad. Well. Okay. Equip the quarters shield to my elephant. That should be an option. Now I got that. Okay. Well. Oh, equipping that to the cyst bearer. But, well, he can't use the cyst bearer, that's cool. Another plane. Here's the Hellion. But that's good from the Alabast here. He can't untap it. So, and I guess next turn he's toast, because we'll play the Arc Trial. Okay, he proliferates against my Glinthawk, that's okay. But even though, I guess he won't be able to block 3 creatures next turn, and I just have to give him 1 damage at least with my Iron Mirror to kill him with the Arc Trial. So, we won the first round, which is pretty cool. Guess he can't win against us. Now he equips... Yeah, he can't win against us. That's cool. Woohoo! We won that. Woo. Sure, man, sure. Sure, man, sure. That's okay. Well, I'm gonna remove all of his creatures at first. Bam. And we won the first round. 2-0 is a good start. We're the first ones to finish. So see you back for the second round.